In 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia erupted, the most powerful volcanic eruption in recorded history. It spewed so much ash into the atmosphere that it caused the year without a summer in 1816. Crops failed and famine spread across the northern hemisphere. But did you know this eruption inspired Mary Shelley to write Frankenstein? Stuck indoors due to the cold, she crafted her iconic novel. What if a volcano could change literature? This eruption showed nature's power to alter human history. Imagine the world without Frankenstein. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.